How to replace your scanner background on your Kodak PS50 or PS80 picture saver scanner. To perform the procedures in this module, you will need a license key and photo scanner calibration targets. These items may be obtained from your local Kodak service representative. The PS50 and PS80 photo scanners are comprised of a front and a back side. The front contains an open imaging area and a camera that captures the front side of the photo. The back has a closed imaging area with a glass guide and a camera that captures the back side of the photo. The photo scanner comes with a fixed background strip installed. It is a solid black part and is best for scanning different types of photo papers, including thinner papers. There is also a flexible background strip, which is a molded part that has a spring-loaded metal plate. If you are having difficulty achieving good quality scans with the fixed background strip, you can replace it with this flexible background strip. To replace the fixed background with the flexible background, first make sure the scanner is powered off and the input tray is open. Press the scanner cover release lever to access the paper path. Locate the fixed background and remove the 2 screws. Install the flexible background with the 2 screws. And then close the scanner cover. There are 3 different calibrations you can perform on your scanner to improve the scanner's performance. There is a UDDS calibration, where the scanner detects sensor signals as the target sheet passes over the sensor. The sensor then compares calibrated values to the free air value to identify a multi-feed. It controls document transport timing. There is a mechanical calibration, where the scanner calculates the length and the width from the scan image and compares them to the target dimension to adjust the scaling factor for the calibration table. Lastly, there is an image calibration, where the scanner takes 2 readings, one with the lights off and one with the lights on, to create normalization values for the upper and lower camera calibration tables. Each calibration requires the calibration target paper. The target paper is scanner model specific, therefore it cannot be used interchangeably between different scanner models. The calibration target should be clean and have no smudges or roller marks. It should also be flat without any crease marks. You also need to contact your local Kodak service representative to obtain the diagnostic keys needed to run image and mechanical calibrations through the SVT program. Once you replace a scanner background, you need to run image and mechanical calibrations through SVT. First, load the scanner with its designated target paper. Open up SVT and click on the Setup button in the upper left-hand corner of the window. Next, select Settings and then click on Device. Then select Diagnostics near the bottom right-hand corner of the window. Select Calibrate, and from the Type drop-down, select Image. Press OK to run the calibration. Next, run a mechanical calibration by again selecting the Calibrate button, and from the Type drop-down, select Mechanical. Press OK to run the calibration. When needed, you can run a UDDS calibration by again selecting the Calibrate button, and from the Type drop-down, select UDDS. Press OK to run the calibration.